fix file upload failed error on Microsoft Teams. This is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. To fix the file upload failed error on Microsoft Teams, make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reason that the upload is being failed. Secondly, you just need to open settings on a device and you just need to search for the Microsoft Teams app. So click on the option of app and you just need to go on the option of permission. So after clicking on the option of permission, here you will see the option of not allowed and allowed. So under not allowed, here you will see the option of photos and videos. So you just need to click on the option of always allow all and you just need to close this app. So if you are trying to upload the file like photos and videos, then that may help you. But if you are trying to upload the PDF and it is still not working, then you just need to go to settings again and you just need to go on the option of Teams again, and from here you just scroll down and click on the option of storage. So under storage, here you will see the option of clear cache at the very bottom. So if you click on the option of clear cache, it helps you to fix the box and the errors which are occurring on the app, and also helps you to fix the issue of file not uploading on Microsoft Teams. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.